Dun, recoil. No. Oh God. One went right. Yo, let's do both at a time. I want to do both at a time. It'll be better.
You got 2 doubles? Yeah.
All right, 2 triples.
Alex. Oh, damn! That was crazy. Do it again.
Let's try and synchronize them better.
You need a lighter for one, I guess, if the synchronize.
Who's got the lighters? Oh, you got it. Dude, we got a competition.
They really
going
think
here.
they're better than us.
Here, Christian.
Wait, Mario.
Ready?
Wait. Get them at the
On
same
count of
time.
3. 1, 2, 3.
Mario's.
Oh, no! No!
Okay, that's enough. You guys okay? You good?
Oh my God! Yo, so what just happened?
Bro, it tipped over and shot the house.
Oh my God, Christian.
We're sitting right here.
Uh,
Alright.
That was retarded. If you guys can't use them properly.
So basically what happened
Is this kid just knocked the thing over, and it fell over when it was lit with a 3-shot mortar shot right at the house with a bunch of people standing on the deck, blew up right in their faces 3 times.
that's
Where's
what
the tube, dude?
oh God.
It went flying all the way over here. Look.
Oh my God, the tube landed over here? Jesus.
Oh, it's dumb hot too.
Yeah. Pocket.